Farscape Academy Inspector Training Videos. Here we are in the back of at Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey. This is the Delta Gamma, I believe. Let's take a look at this. This Farscape was obviously written up in the past for a scrape and paint violation, and guess what they did? They painted. It's nice and shiny and black. She's beautiful. She looks great. Now let's take a look at some of the things that have been done. Is there any evidence that the Farscape has been maintained, repaired prior to painting it? Well, let's take a look. Here's a brand new piece of steel, and this brand new piece of steel has all the square, the hex head bolts, new treads. This looks beautiful. This is a great new piece of Farscape right here. Can't find any problems with this. You can climb this up. New rail, angle, welded, beautiful. She looks good. Now let's take a look at the rest of the Farscape. Let's see if there's any evidence that the rest of it was taken care of. None of the rivets or the square head bolts on the gussets, which have evidence of rust growth inside them, I can see it from here, none of them show any reinforcement or repair. Gusset growth right there. Let's take a look at this one. Look at that gusset growth right there. Totally blown out. See that? Look at that gusset growth. Totally blown out. Look at that gusset up there. Totally blown out. That gusset. This gusset. Totally blown out. They just painted it. They didn't bother changing. All original hex head bolts. Everywhere. Look at that gusset up there. Totally blown out. Gusset over there. Totally blown out. Look at all the treads going up. All original square head bolts. And you can look from down below. You can see rust between the stringer and the clip. Look at the clips down here. Rust. Original square head bolts. So here's a situation where you have a Farscape where maybe the bottom was so badly rotted, or it went the wrong way, so they extended it with a brand new one. But then why wouldn't they fix this part of the Farscape? It makes no sense. And it's blatant. I mean, huge blowout. I mean, an iron worker that comes down and does this and just totally ignores this, well, that means that the iron worker wasn't in control. It was there was no engineer oversight on this thing. And because anybody can do whatever they damn please, and the paint job was all they were looking for, you get away with a lot. So with engineer oversight, an engineer would not sign off on all these blown gussets down below on this platform. He would not sign off on all the blown gussets up above. So this is why it's so important that a professional evaluation be done. A repair copy goes to the owners, and a repair copy goes to the city or to the inspector of record. And these Farscapes must be properly repaired. So even though this Farscape is shiny, she's got structural issues, and I would deem, because of these gussets, a life safety issue down here at the bottom. So look at all that rust look at all the rusty tears. That means water's been getting into the gussets and into the through bolts into the building, and you got tears up there also. So we've got water that's been penetrating the building. We got gussets that are blown out, so we got quite a bit. Even though the Farscape is shiny and new, that only satisfied that scrape and paint violation that was written 5, 10, or 15 years ago. But this Farscape is structurally unsound. If you have any questions on this or any other video, give us a call here at farscapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333. Let's take a quick look over here at this one, which is right by its side. Let's see if the same guy fixed that one. So, must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. Well, this Farscape is nice and shiny, so that means 5, 10, 15 years ago there was a violation written, and they took care of the violation by painting. This looks like a lot of the rails have been replaced. Looks like all the treads are fairly new. Looks like they're all welded. Looks like they're still in good condition. Looks like it's an all welded Farscape that's replaced what used to be here. So this is what the replacement looks like. The only thing I would recommend that get done on this, because it's an all welded Farscape, if you don't seal these Farscapes up with caulking, water gets in here and it's going to eat that very badly welded weld. If you don't seal them from above, up here, they start eating my welds from below, and I will fail the Farscape in the near future. So that's the only thing you have to be careful about, is that if you leave any cracks or crevices, water will get in there and it'll eat that weld, and then I have to fail this Farscape. So that's the only thing you have to concern yourself about on these Farscapes, is that welded Farscapes need to be sealed with 50-year silicone in order for it to pass. Any questions on this or any other video that you've seen, give us a call here at farscapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333. Visit our YouTube channel, Farscape Academy.